was over, they thought I was finished, dog. Whole city jump behind me, now I get more racks than a tennis ball. And you know ain't no looking back. The streets brought the hustle out of me. I was sick of eating pot of meat. Ramen noodles all through the week. The struggle was ugly, made something out of me.
What it do, what it do? 78 Chevy boy, what up YouTube? Man, coming at you with another video, man. Yes, sir. We finna head up here, man, to the gun range again, man. Yes, sir. Jose ain't here this time, though. I'm going with the homie Mario, and Big Mike supposed to meet me up there, man. Man, Mario got some real heat, man. So I hit him up this morning. I'm like, man, you busy today? If not, let's hit the gun range. He hit me back like, cool. What time and where we going? So I called, made sure what time they open. They open at 12. It's 11:49 now. It ain't gonna take me about 6-7 minutes to get up there. And man, we ready. So we finna head up here, and that boy got some big heat, man. Get ready, man. This finna be a good video, man. So just wanted to show y'all. I got my shoes on. Them Yeezys, man. Them Yeezys, man. Got them on, man. Yes, sir. So keep it locked, man. 78 Chevy boy. All right. Hello. Yeah, man. We up here. We up here at the same spot. About to go ahead and get it on, man. So keep it locked. You know, I can't bring the camera back out until we get back in there on the range. So we'll be in there in a minute. Keep it locked, man. 78 Chevy boy. All right. What up, YouTube? We up in here. About to get it on. I was gonna show y'all what we brought today. Starting off with my lane. We got the 300 blackout right here. We got the 300 blackout. And we also got the Glock 34 Gen 4. Mario called it the John Wick jump. We call it the John Wick jump, man. That's the 9mm. 300 blackout, boy. I'll get them. That's a bad boy right there, man. That's a bad boy. Let's see what Mario got over here. Yeah, man, we over here with Mario. Mario got the AR over here. We shooting 5.56s over here, man. This one got a binary trigger, man. Got a binary trigger on this one. So this gonna be a lot of fun too. You see the sights on it, man. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Now, let's go over here and see what Big Mike got. Hold on. Yeah, you just lay it down. Big Mike got the AK down here, man. He got the AK. 7.62, man. 7.62. I'll see it, man. So, we're gonna check it out. See what they got, man. So I'm gonna have them to record me when I shoot. I'm of course gonna record them when they shoot. So let's get it. I still gotta load my clips up. I was too busy messing with the camera. I gotta load my clips up right quick. We'll be right back.
Binary right there.
Yeah, that motherfucker hit that. He told him he can't do it like he wanted to.
Woo! Man, hey, that thing that buzzing, man. So that was the AR with the binary trigger right there, y'all. I'm finna shoot the I'm gonna shoot the blackout 300. Then Big Mike gonna shoot the AK. So let me load it up. Y'all get ready, man. $300 blackout, y'all.
Put your ears on, Mario.
This one.
Yeah, we gotta get it.
Hold it.
It gotta be on safe.
Got it on something?
It was on safe. Man, that feels good. Yeah, this the aftermath of what I just did, man, with the 300 blackout. It ain't bad, man, for my first time shooting. Ain't bad. I stayed on target except that one right there. So this run. See that, man? That ain't bad, man. First time with the 300 blackout, man. 300 blackout, man. Did all right with that jump. Big AK right here, man.
Oh, you're talking about a bore sign? Yeah, bore sign.
Yeah, I'm gonna put
I'm
put one of these up. I'm gonna put a fresh one up. I'll shoot this joint. I'm gonna put a fresh one up. I'm gonna shoot this this AK right quick. Big Mike with that AK, man. See it, man. Y'all see it?
You want to handle that?
Y'all see it, man. Stayed on the paper for the most part. Did any of them not go on the paper? Everything? Okay. You see, I was good the whole time, man. Kept it on the paper, you see? Ain't bad. First time shooting that 8. Turn the sight on. You gotta turn the sight on.
Yeah,
I thought it was one of them raised to.
it's on.
Oh, yeah? I didn't see that jump.
See it?
Oh, I see it now.
Alright.
It went up at first. Huh?
Let it roll.
So I remember what Mike said. He said, give it a break in between.
If you start missing, I'll holler at you.
Oh, okay, okay.
That Mario, you can shoot like that.
Man,
You do that nice.
yes, sir. Yeah, I like that deal, man.
I didn't know how that motherfucker feel. That
He
motherfucker
shot me. Alright, y'all. This the AK. I mean, this the AR with the binary trigger, man. I got the green light. Try to let that thing roll, man. So we're gonna see if I got my rhythm down pat.
That was it for you.
Man. Yeah, this is a 9mm, man. The Glock 34 Gen 4. This is what Mario called a John Wick. Let me get it in. Do a couple headshots first, man. All right, now we're gonna do the right shoulder, left shoulder. Gonna try to hit that 7, like right up in the throat area. I was off on that one. We'll go a little closer then. We was a little closer. All right, we're gonna go down. Like 7 at the bottom. There we go, there we go. God damn. There we go. There we go. Headshot. I think that was pretty good with the John Wick, man. It's the AK again, man. There we go. I got it right that time. AK, man.
That's it.
Gonna shoot for the 8. Y'all can see, man, we had some fun today up here. Especially, we got my man in here. What's your name? Jordan. Got my man Jordan in here. He helped us out, man. Very informative. Letting us know what to do, what we can do, where we were kind of off it, what we can do to improve ourselves, man. He was very good help, man. I don't know if he want his face on the camera. So, you good? Okay. My man Jordan up here, man. He very informative, very helpful, man. We up here at it's called The Gun Store, right? The gun store on Winchester. The gun store on Winchester, man. Shooting the last of the bullets we got, man. We bought way more. We bought more than enough 9mm bullets, so we just finished up the last of those. Man, that was a good stress reliever, like Big Mike said, man. That's a good way to start the Sunday off. Get some of that pressure out, man. So now we probably finna go and I guess maybe jump in one of the old school, man. I gotta go ahead and get it in, cause I told y'all I'm going to pick up something tomorrow. Or I think that was Instagram I told, but yeah, I gotta go pick up something tomorrow. So I gotta rest up tonight in order to go pick it up tomorrow.
Hey, George, real quick, do we have any more waivers? We got some more people trying to shoot.
So we'll definitely
I'll get them in a second. Okay.
Y'all gonna want to see that, man. So keep it locked, man. 78 Chevy boy up here at the gun store, man. Stay humble, stay prayed up, and stay out the way, man. Make sure y'all get ready for the best car show to ever hit the Mid-South, man. The Connect and Never Competing Car Show gonna be down at the London Center in Southaven, man. May 15th, 2022. 5/15/22. Keep that in your mind, man. 5/15/22. All right. You too. What it do, baby? We back, man. We back. Got a little. It's 3:30 now. Get dog about 5 o'clock. So that's an hour and a half. I can go let off some more pressure. Y'all see we just came back from busting them things, man. Letting that pressure off at the range. So now I'm finna jump in Cayenne, man. Go let a little pressure off. So we go ahead. Ain't no time to waste, man. Ain't no time to waste. We gotta go ahead and get started. I ain't even finna play with the remote start, man. We finna cold start, baby. Prepare for takeoff. She dirty, man. She dirty as ever. Look at here, look at here. She dirty, man. I'm around here playing. I'm playing, man. But keep it locked. Make us a block, man. I gotta find me a bite to eat, man. I got the taste for some baked chicken, so I'm gonna try to find us some baked chicken or something somewhere, man. Alright. We back, baby. Just jumped in the truck, man, to try to get a quick little spin in it. Boss lady almost home. They on their way back from Nashville, man. She been in Nashville ever since Friday. And it's Sunday, man. Then I gotta leave out tonight around midnight. Got a long drive, man. Got something to go pick up, man. Y'all gonna be happy for me. Y'all gonna be happy for the channel. Happy for me. Cause y'all part of the gang, man. Y'all family, man. So yeah, I'm just finna pick me some food up, man. Now I got the taste for some baked chicken for some reason. I don't know who's selling baked chicken today like I want it. So I just getting some close to it. It's like a Parmesan chicken from Longhorn Steakhouse, man. It's like a grilled chicken. Then they got like Parmesan and stuff on top of it, man. Man, I got that with some steamed broccoli and some mashed potatoes, man. Finna pick that up and I'm gonna go on right back to the house, man. I'm gonna show y'all how it look too. It's fire. It's fire. I just got the taste for some baked chicken for some reason. But anyway, we finna make it happen though. So they told me it'll be ready. I did it online. They said it'll be ready about 4:30. So it's 4:10. So I'm just gonna pull up on the lot, find me a good spot, cause y'all see them in Cayenne. But I might do the curbside. Yeah, I'm gonna do the curbside and just call them, tell them I'm outside, man. Y'all know I don't like leaving my baby where I can't see her at. Even though we in Southaven, Mississippi, boy, they'll peel you back, peel you down here too, man. They'll peel you down here, boy. So it's coming up. Do I go across the street? No, it's up here. I think it's at the next light. And I stopped at 2 car washes, bro. I was about to at least spray the truck off, man. Y'all see how dirty it is. I was gonna spray it off. And man, I could not, man, I'm just so packed. I couldn't even get in, like right in. I was trying to pull in one, spend a couple dollars and just spray it down, man. Spray the dirt off the rims and stuff, but I have to go on back to the house. I'm gonna put it back up anyway, so it's all good. Burned a little rubber, messed with a few people at the light, you know. But that's enough fun for the day, man, for me. That's enough fun for the day. Y'all see I'm yawning. I gotta get prepared for this drive tonight, man. Woo! 7 hours and 15 minutes, man. But we gonna make it work, though. We gonna make it work, man. Light work. So we about to pull up over here at Longhorn, man. Y'all see it's right over there. I wish my zoom was better on this camera, man. Bad camera, bad ass camera, but I wish my zoom went in a little bit farther. They should have the curbside parking spaces. Some of our people be scamming and stuff, bro. But man, for them, and it's not warm out here, man. It's slick cold out here. if they scamming that hard, got them kids out there, man, with nothing on, folk got blankets on and stuff like that, man. I'm just gonna, you know, nah, man. God put it on my heart. When I seen that right there, man, they got them kids out there, man. God put it on my heart, man. I gotta give them something, man. So I know I'm gonna get my blessing. If they ain't righteous, you know, and doing what they supposed to do, man. And I ain't one that's looking for no I ain't looking for no praises for doing this either. So cause I ain't even finna show y'all how much money I'm finna give them, man. Hold on, let me change this battery right quick. I ain't even gonna show y'all how much money I'm gonna give them. Be right back, man. So I don't know if y'all saw that when I pulled in, how they sitting on that curb over there. I got to pull up on them, man. Stuff like this do something to me, man. See? Hold on, y'all. What's up, bro? God bless you, man. All right. You welcome. Yeah, man. You see, I ain't trying to put the camera in his face and now when he walked up, man, because that ain't even what it's about, man. Because it's cold out here, bro. It's cold out here. If somebody dead low down to be scamming, man, and have their kids out here in this weather right here, man. I don't wish nothing good for you, bro. I don't wish nothing good for you, but I do wish, you know, if they are being truthful, man, they out here, they sitting on this curb, man. They need some type. Yeah, that baby ain't got no sleeves on, man. Ain't got no jacket on. Damn, they can't be scamming, bro. Ain't no folk got like. See, I think I started something. I think them people. See, it's called stopping. From when I stopped, it's starting a chain reaction. It's starting a chain reaction, man. Like 4 cars done stopped already since I stopped. Man, I hope they get their blessing, man. It's a holiday. They sitting out there. Man, I hate to make it, you know what I'm saying? Man. Hate to sound like a downer, you know, but stuff like that, man. I'm a soft-hearted person, man. Stuff like that do something to me, man. That baby man ain't got no jacket on, man. I'm done about to go buy the baby a jacket, for real. Man, that's crazy. Trying to get in the curbside spot. Hold on, y'all. We'll be right back. Man, YouTube. I almost got ahead of myself, man. Y'all see I already, man, took a plug out of that thing, man. Man. Just had to show y'all. I told y'all I was going to show y'all what it looked like. This is that Parmesan crusted chicken, man, from Longhorn Steakhouse. If y'all got one in your city, go try it. Get the 12 ounce. Get the big joint. Get the 12 ounce. And, man, thank me later. Thank me later. Send me a message. Send me a DM. Put it on your story. Tag me or something. And let me know what you think about it, man. I'm telling you, this stuff had to be made in heaven. It was definitely invented in heaven. You hear me? 787 boy. Keep it locked, man. Stay humble. Stay prayed up. Stay out the way, baby. I'm out.
787 Boy presents
the Connecting, Never Competing Car Show. Going down in a major way, man. 5/15/22. Mark your calendars.
We're going up.
Everybody is invited, man. Low riders, old school, new school, lifted trucks, slingshots, motorcycles, it don't matter. It's a big reunion for the culture. Come on out, have a good time, pop your tent up, sit back, relax, network, link up. That's what it's about, man. Connecting, never competing. Get ready. Mark your calendars. 5/15/22.
My seven, I'm keeping in my seven, I'm flossing in my seven, I'm riding